Hi guys, today I will show you how we do the volcano experiment. Now, the main ingredients are vinegar, 2 spoons of baking soda, dish soap, and food coloring. 2 squeezes of dish soap, now you have to put all the ingredients including only dish soap, baking soda, food coloring, all in a half cup of water. Now we will add a half cup of vinegar and see what will happen.